with vlog number 2. Shout outs to Alvaro's Chicken. You know, we out here we're trying to buy a heater right quick. See how much these heaters from. Yeah, bro. Yeah, bro. My bro Deshaun work over here. He got me on the straps for the low. Oh, excuse me. Let's see what we go cop to heat them boys up. We finna cop that to heat them boys. Real Gucci boys out here. Extendo mag for the haters. Extendo clips. What's he trying to cop?
Premium.
Got Extendo mag right there for my Remington Almond. So like them boys up. Ask him. Feel like you guys have any camo condoms? So they don't know who I am. There's a chance if you got HIVs. Hey bro, you can't be touching that gun right there. Bro, you can't be touching that gun. That's bogus. They trying to have you light up homeboy right here.
They do.
Bro, I'm cheap as hell, but ain't nobody want that. TPK? Yeah, we could get that and roll up on them boys. Let's get a slingshot so we could rob Chief Keef for his chain. Guess let's continue on.
We play no games.
Yeah, here we go. I'm trying to cop. This is why you don't play with real boys, cause you go get run up on. We finna catch you like homeboy right here. They caught homeboy lacking in the field. Hey bro, you can't be touching that in the stove. You ain't old enough to. Boy, you gay as hell, boy. You dumb as hell, boy. Don't make me get on your Alvaro looking ass, boy.
Oh, dude.
Oh yeah, I use that to saute my fries.
Is this the one you have at home?
Oh, it is. It is. It's just that the back's not broken as hell. I got some beanbag chairs right here. This is beanbag chairs for you to sit on. Let's go up in here. Boy, don't make me get on this pig right now. Boy, don't make me. We got our turkey looking a bit sick. I don't know. It looks like he needs a burger or something. Might need a little bit of milk.
A turkey burger?
We got bullets for when you want to go primal to catch somebody lacking. Am I covering the mic? Can you guys hear me now? Can you hear me? Okay. They caught him lacking in the field.
Dude. What? $20?
Look at the look on that kid's face. That's how you know he's a real hit. He only gets. You see, he got Sade over there. Like, damn. Sade feeling a little man right there. Is that my dad out there? Oh yeah, it is.
I was like, what the fuck? I was like, I couldn't see any. I saw no. Young Papa over there.
After you snatch out them boys' chains, you gotta take pictures with the dead bodies. Make them know it's real.